Struggling to find Namecheap's guru guides? Stop hunting blindly. In 2 minutes, I will show you exactly where they are and how to filter them. Let's get into it. First, we are going to go to Namecheap's homepage. Then I will walk you through clicking the Guru Guides link and using the filters to find exactly what you need. So start at the very beginning. Go ahead and open up your browser and head to Namecheap.com. You are probably already logged into your account, but if you are not, no worries. Just make sure you are on their main homepage. That is where we are going to start. Now, look up at the top of the page. You will see a menu bar with a few different options. There is one that says Guru Guides. Go ahead and click on that. This is the main hub for all of their expert tutorials, and this is exactly the section people tend to overlook. I have spent a lot of time poking around their interface, and I can tell you this link is your golden ticket. Once you click that, it is going to take you to the Guru Guides landing page. Now, there is a big section here that says Expert Guidance for Starting and Growing Your Online Business. Click on that link. This is your main entry point to all the tutorials. It is not just a fancy headline. It is how you actually get to the good stuff. All right, so now you are on the Guru Guides page. I want you to look for a highlighted area near the top. Just click on that first highlight. This might take a moment to load, but once it does, you will see the search page. Now look for another highlighted area on the page. Click on that second highlight as well. This just opens up a bit more of the search interface for you. Now we are going to use the filters. This is the really powerful part. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a button that says Filter By. Go ahead and click on that. The first filter option that pops up is Business Goal. Click on that. This lets you narrow down the guides based on what you are actually trying to accomplish. Are you trying to sell something online? Are you building a personal brand? This filter matches your goal to the right tutorial. Next, you will see an option for Category. Click on that one too. This is how you sort by topics like domains, hosting, security, or email. If you're having trouble with your hosting setup, for example, you can just check the hosting box and see only those guides. Then there is a filter called Type of Content. This is really handy. Click on that. You can choose between things like step-by-step articles, video walkthroughs, or even infographics. So if you are someone who learns better by watching, just select video and you are good to go. After that, there is a duration filter. Go ahead and click on that. This lets you decide how long you want the guide to be. Maybe you only have 5 minutes and just need a quick answer. Or maybe you want that deep dive that is 20 minutes long. You get to pick. And finally, there is a More Resources filter. Click on that one as well. This will show you related content like glossary terms or community forum posts. It is a great way to get extra context if a guide leaves you with more questions. So there you go. From being lost on Namecheap's site, you are now confidently navigating the Guru Guides and filtering exactly what you need. I have tested this process a few times, and it really saves you from aimlessly clicking around. Now, you can find the right help in seconds. Happy learning!